Welcome back to our channel. Today we have some exciting news that will make your 2025 gardening season bloom with possibilities. Stick around to find out how you can get your hands on free seeds and a chance to win a fantastic gardening tool. We're thrilled to announce our 2025 free seed giveaway. This year, we're offering a diverse selection of seeds to help you cultivate a vibrant garden. To participate, simply send us a self-addressed stamped envelope by March 15th. Make sure your return address is inside, and we'll fill it with seeds and send it back to you. Our address is P.O. Box 23442, Overland Park, Kansas 66283. This giveaway is open to all our subscribers in the United States. This year, we're giving away 6 incredible seed varieties, the most we've ever offered. Here's what you can look forward to. Ace 55 heirloom tomato seeds, Sweetie tomato seeds, lemon balm seeds, and organic Black Beauty summer squash seeds. And for the first time ever, we're including flower seeds in our giveaway. Whether you're a veggie lover or flower fanatic, there's something for everyone. We also are including the California Giant Zinnia seeds and Powder Puff China Aster seed mix. But there's even more. We're also giving away 5 super seed starter trays from Burpee. These 36-cell reusable trays are perfect for getting your seeds off to a strong start. To enter, sign up for our email list through King Sumo. The more you engage with us on social media, the higher your chances of winning one of these seed starter kits. But everyone who is a U.S. subscriber can get the free seeds by sending a self-addressed stamped envelope. As we celebrate our 8th anniversary, we're committed to bringing you more engaging gardening content. We've been a bit quiet over the past few years, but that's about to change. We're aiming to hit 50,000 subscribers this year, and if we do, you'll finally get to see my face in a video. We want to hear from you. Comment below if you've been with us for a while, and let us know what content you'd love to see. Your feedback is invaluable, and we're eager to grow alongside you. Thank you for being a part of our gardening community. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's make 2025 a year of growth and beauty in our gardens. Happy planting!